Ever noticed 31 in the Baskin Robbins logo? So this 31 actually stands for the 31 ice cream flavors that the company initially launched back in 1953 when it started in business. So back in 1953, the founders, that was Burt Baskins and Irv Robbins, integrated their separate stores into one that was named Burton Ice Cream Shop in Pasadena, California, and Snowbird Ice Cream in Glendale, California into Baskin Robbins. The logo of Baskin Robbins changed several times throughout the years, and there are 1000 plus flavors being launched today all over the world. The founders actually believed that the customers must taste each flavor of ice creams before choosing their favorite one, and this actually launched the iconic pink spoon. Baskin Robbins today offers a large variety of flavors and a unique variety of flavors. It has launched a unique variety of flavors like avocado, garlic, esuku bean, jalapeno and pumpkin. There was an even weirder combination or a flavor that is called dill pickle ice cream flavor that was actually targeted for expected mothers. One of the examples of the flavors that was launched back in 1964 was when the Beatles, that was the biggest music sensation at that time, came to USA, and when the reporter asked the founders that if they have something unique for the music team or for the Beatles, then without even thinking they straight away said yes, beetle nut. And within 5 days of saying, they had launched the new flavor named beetle nut. So each flavor today that Baskin Robbins has its own unique story. Not just that, Baskin Robbins has been titled with Guinness World Record twice. First in 2000 for the world's largest ice cream pyramid, which had around 3100 ice cream scoops, and second in 2005 for the largest cup of ice cream, which weighed around 8,865 pounds of vanilla ice cream. And the most interesting part, today 31 does not only restrict itself to the 31 flavors of the ice cream, but it actually means the 31% discount that Baskin Robbins gives at its stores on 31st of each month. Isn't it just amazing?